Assalamualaikum dear student. Hope you all will be fine at your home. I'm your geo teacher Iram Nisar. Let's begin our today's lesson. Today we will start our new topic. The name of the topic is Pakistan. You know, Pakistan is a homeland. So inshallah in this lesson we will learn more about Pakistan. So let's start. Come on page number 1, which is unit 1, Pakistan. First of all, we will read about its facts, which you can see here. Number 1 is capital. Now what is capital? Capital means the center of a country, or you can say the government central meeting place and offices. So the capital of Pakistan is Islamabad. Islamabad is one of the most beautiful city of Pakistan and also known as the world's best capital. It is the 9th largest country of Pakistan. Second is currency. The meaning of currency means the money which we use. So the name of our currency is rupee. The third one is religion. The religion of Pakistan is Islam, and number 4 is language. There are so many languages are spoken in Pakistan, but our national language is Urdu. Now come to the paragraph. Pakistan is located in South Asia. Asia, you know, it's the largest continent on the earth, and Pakistan is situated in the south of Asia, means the downward side of continent Asia. It shares common border with India, China, Afghanistan and Iran. Now you can see here, this is the map of Pakistan, and Pakistan share the border with the 4 countries. You can see in the west side you can see Afghanistan, and in the northeast side you can see it share the border with China. In the east and southeast you can see India, and here you can see it share the border with Iran. In the downward, or you can say in the south of Pakistan, there is Arabian Sea. Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah is the founder of Pakistan. Now, who is the founder? Founder means a person who creates or establishes the country. Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah is the greatest leader of our history, and he was also the first Governor General of Pakistan until his death. It's a picture of our great leader Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. The population is around 160 million, which is the 7th highest in the world. Population means the whole number of the people in a country or region. So Pakistan is the 7th highest population among all the countries of the world. Area-wise, Pakistan is 34th largest country in the world. Area-wise means the term of size. So Pakistan is the term of size 34th largest country among the 194 countries. Urdu is the national language. However, the regional languages are spoken in different provinces. Now, what is the meaning of regional? Regional means any language which are spoken in the specific part of the country or state, and it's not the official language. Our country has several regional languages, include Punjabi, Saraiki, Pashto, Hindko, Sindhi, Balochi, Balti, Khwar and so many others. Pakistan is divided into 4 provinces, namely Sindh, Balochistan, Punjab and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. You can see in the map here Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Punjab, Balochistan and Sindh. Beside these four provinces, Azad Jammu and Kashmir, or you can say AJK, and Gilgit-Baltistan, formerly known as the Northern Areas, are the two political units under the Pakistani control. Political unit means a unit with political responsibilities. The important crops grown are wheat, rice and cotton. Cotton being the main export. Now what do you mean by crop? A crop is a large amount of one kind of fruit or grain or vegetable, etc. that is mostly grown in the field. And the meaning of export is send goods to the other country for sale. So our major export is cotton. Look at the picture. This is the plant of cotton which we export the other countries. And here you can see rice in the picture. And in this picture you can see the wheat field. Now the next point is the largest city is Karachi, where over 12 million people live and work. It is also a seaport. Karachi is the largest city by population as well as by area. You can see here its location of Karachi on the map of Pakistan. The people of Pakistan are called Pakistanis. They are brave, strong and hard-working. Pakistan is an agriculture country, therefore most of the people are associated with agriculture. Now what is agriculture? Agriculture means the cultivation of the soil for the growing crops. Agriculture provide raw material to many industries. And the meaning of associate means connect, means the people who are connect with this profession. The national dress for men is shalwar kameez, sherwani and jina cap, and for women it is shalwar kameez with dupatta. Here I am showing the pictures of our national dress. This dress is called sherwani. This cap is known as jina cap. And here you can see the shalwar kameez and dupatta for women and shalwar kameez for men. River Indus is the largest river that flows through the center of the country. River Indus is not only the largest river of Pakistan, it is also one of the largest river of continent Asia. River Indus is originated from Tibet in China and its flow throughout Pakistan. You can see here its flow throughout Pakistan and merge into Arabian Sea near the Karachi. Pakistan has one of the best canal systems in the world. Canals, what is canal? Canals come out of the river and mostly canals are used for irrigation. This is the picture of canal. Canal is used for irrigation system and Pakistan is one of the best canal system in the world because in Pakistan almost 75% of the land which is agricultural use is covered by irrigation system. The second highest mountain in the world is K2, also lies in Pakistan. K2 is the second highest after Mount Everest. It is located in the border of China and Pakistan, in the region of Gilgit-Baltistan in the northern part of Pakistan. Faisal Mosque In Islamabad, the capital city, is said to be the biggest mosque in the world. Faisal Mosque is located in Islamabad and it is also the national mosque of Pakistan. The mosque is also a major tourist attraction in Pakistan. Here there is few symbols of Pakistan are written. Number 1 is National Airlines, PIA. PIA stands for Pakistan International Airline. Number 2 is National Flower, Jasmine. Number 3, National Juice, which is sugar cane. Number 4 is National Game, hockey. National animal is markhor. And number last is our national poet, which is Allama Muhammad Iqbal. Now here I am showing you the pictures of Pakistan national symbols. This is a picture of Pakistan International Airline, PIA. It's our national flower, jasmine. It's a picture of sugar cane juice. It's a picture of hockey, which is our national game, and hockey is also famous all around the world. Here is a picture of markhor. Markhor is the largest kind of goat and it is mostly found in the Central Asian country and also in the northern part of Pakistan. This is the picture of our great poet Allama Muhammad Iqbal. He is known as also the dreamer of Pakistan because he gave the idea to divide the subcontinent in two pieces of land to set peace in this region. Dear students, that's all for today. Now kindly learn important facts and the national symbol of Pakistan at home. See you soon inshallah. Allah Hafiz.